This is a piano tutorial for the song Moonlight in Vermont. And I'm going to call this an intermediate level song because it's in the key of E flat. So you have three flats, B flat, E flat, and A flat. So that's a little bit more advanced. I'll show you the melody first. With the right hand, you're going to start with your fifth finger on this C note. And then that repeats. Actually, the second time you want to put your fifth finger there, fourth finger, third finger on G, put your thumb on that E flat, third finger on F. It's kind of different there. Let me do this two phrases again for you. Fifth finger, that's pretty easy. Fifth finger, G, put your thumb on E flat there, third finger on F. That'll get you down to that note. Fifth finger on G again. And then it repeats. Fifth finger on C. Fifth finger on C again. Thumb on that E flat. 3, 4, 1. Fifth finger on G. And then your thumb is on a D note. Fifth finger there, your thumb's on D. Goes up to that D with your fifth finger. Third finger there, and then you put your thumb on E flat. E flat. Fifth finger there. Third finger, second finger, fifth finger again. Fifth finger again. The thumb on E flat. Fifth finger again. Now this next measure is a little tricky, and I'm going to suggest to you that rather than playing the chord on the downbeat, do the first couple notes as a pickup there. That'll give you the room, then play your F chord like that. So it's 1, 1, 2, 3, and on third finger on the E flat, that's where you play a chord. Fourth finger there. So that's the fingering for the right hand. The chords for the left hand, you start on an E flat chord there. E flat, G, B flat. F minor, F, A flat, C. E, G sharp, B. So it's kind of chromatic there. E flat again, E flat, G, and B flat on the C minor, C, E flat, G. There's a D flat chord there, D flat, F, A flat, F minor again, F, A flat, and C. There's a B flat, seventh chord, D, F, A flat, B flat. E flat again, E flat, G, B flat. And that repeats, E flat, C minor, F minor, E flat, C minor again, D flat, F, A flat. F minor, E flat, E flat again. There's an A minor seventh, which is G, E, G, A, C. So that's A minor seventh. This goes to D7, D, F sharp, A, C. There's a G major seventh, which is D, F sharp, G, B. A minor 7th again, E, G, A, C. There's an A flat chord, E flat, G flat, A flat, C. There's a G major 7th, F, D, F sharp, G, B. There's a B minor 7th, F, A flat, B, D flat, E flat, G, B flat. There's an A flat major 7th, E flat, G, A flat, C. B minor 7th, F, A flat, B flat, A flat. E flat, G, E flat, G, B flat. A flat, E, A flat, C. And that's a really funky chord. You got this odd note up on top, but you got a B flat chord on the bottom, B flat 7, F, A flat, B flat, D, which resolves to this E flat, G, B flat, F minor, F, A flat, C, E, G sharp, B, B flat, C minor, D flat, F minor, E flat, E flat there again. And then here you're going to do this pickup note thing. F, which is F, A, C, so it's E, E, G sharp, B. There's an E flat, and I think it'd sound cool if you put a 7th on there. E flat, G, B flat, D. So there's some funky chords there, but they really make the song. So always practice slowly, always practice hands alone, and when you put it together, this is what it sounds like. Excuse me.